Moving in LA can be a nightmare. Thousands of movers service the city, and there are hidden fees, last-minute cancellations, and unreliable movers that make it hard to know who to trust. But we've already done the research. We at moveBuddha understand these issues, and we have a deep understanding of LA's moving industry. We help 400,000 plus people find the right mover every year. This video will bring you the best moving companies in Los Angeles. Whether you're moving within the city, heading to another state, or planning a cross-country relocation, we'll break down your top options as well as some other cheaper options and show you how to avoid costly surprises. A. How we pick the winners. To build this list, we created our own database from more than 25 sources, including government databases, online reviews, industry surveys, and our own Better Moves project. Our database includes more than 4,500 moving companies and over 1 million verified reviews. We then analyzed over 350 California-based movers, focusing on those serving the Los Angeles area. We looked at customer feedback from review sites like Google, Yelp, and the BBB. We prioritized movers with strong reputations, transparent pricing, and correct California licensing. Each one on this list was handpicked for their value and real customer satisfaction. Be aware that we refresh our info monthly, so to get the latest list of the best movers in LA, use our link in the description below. B. Pricing snapshot. What it costs to move in LA. If you're staying within 15 miles of Los Angeles, here's what a typical move might cost. A studio move averages $348. For a one-bedroom, it's around $488. A two-bedroom comes to about $796. Three-bedroom homes move for an average of $1,852, and four-bedroom homes cost roughly $2,126. Large homes with 5 or more bedrooms run around $3,280. Your actual price can change based on distance, time of year, and any add-on services you need. C. Best movers for local moves in Los Angeles. At number 1, we have Best California Movers, based in North Hollywood. With a 4.76 rating and 98% positive feedback, they're known for efficient service, polite crews, and straightforward pricing. Many customers say the process was fast and painless, with movers that showed up on time and handled everything with care. Out of 414 reviews, very few reported issues, and those that did mainly mentioned slow complaint responses. They earned the top spot because of their consistent performance, strong customer loyalty, and clear pricing with no surprise fees. You can get a free quote directly from North Hollywood using our link in the description. This is a great way to jumpstart your LA move. Coming in at number 2 is Seka Moving, with a 4.86 overall rating and a strong reputation in the LA area. Customers love their careful handling, responsive communication, and punctual, friendly teams. Many moves finish ahead of schedule with zero damage, which is rare. Around 12% of reviews mention problems with damage claims or follow-up after issues, but overall satisfaction remains high. They rank here because they offer a reliable, stress-free experience that stands out, especially for busy professionals or families looking for peace of mind on moving day. Number 3 on our list is Rigo's moving company Inc., also scoring a 4.86. Known for fast, respectful crews and clean execution, this mover is especially praised for their professionalism and respectful handling of fragile items. Out of 522 reviews, about 80% are positive, which is above the industry average. The downsides: some customers mention surprise charges or crews arriving behind schedule. Still, the overall experience for most users is smooth and dependable, which is why Rigo's makes our top 3. At number 4 is SOS Moving LLC. With a 4.72 rating, they're often highlighted for their speed, careful packing, and flexibility even with last-minute moves. Out of nearly 1,600 reviews, close to 94% are positive. Many customers appreciate how the team protects fragile items and keeps communication clear. A small portion of reviews mention broken items or frustration with how complaints were handled, and a few noted feeling pressured to leave a 5-star review. Still, SOS ranks high for responsiveness and availability. Rounding out our list at number 5 is Prof Moving Company. This crew has a 4.66 overall rating and an impressive 95% satisfaction rate, based on 378 reviews. Customers love their professional approach, efficient team, and budget-friendly pricing. They're often mentioned as a top pick for those looking for reliable service without breaking the bank. The few negative reviews point to higher than expected final charges and some rare issues with misplaced items. But overall, they're a smart choice for cost-conscious moves that still demand solid service. By now, you've probably noticed how different movers are when it comes to service, cost, and reliability. And that's exactly why so many people end up overpaying. So before you choose a mover, try moveBuddha's free moving cost calculator. It gives you an instant estimate, no email or personal info required. Just click the link below in the description. D. Best movers for leaving California. Only 2. If you're heading out of California, here are 2 top-rated movers for long-distance relocations. Number 1, Safeway Moving. If you're planning a long-distance move out of California, our top pick is Safeway Moving. They hold a 4.85 out of 5 rating and offer flat rate pricing, GPS tracking, and 30 days of free storage. Customers consistently praise their professionalism, clear estimates, and stress-free delivery process. These features, combined with strong communication and transparent service, make them a standout for interstate relocations. While there are occasional mentions of minor delays or damage, their reliability and flat pricing model make them one of the most trusted options when moving across state lines. Number 2, American Van Lines. Coming in next is American Van Lines with a 4.5 rating. This company specializes in handling antiques, pianos, and fragile items, which makes them a smart choice for anyone with valuable or sensitive belongings. Their in-house crews are trained and background checked, and they offer climate-controlled storage. Customers highlight their professionalism and quality of care during complex moves. The main downsides include a 50% upfront deposit and no real-time tracking. Still, their track record for careful, high-end moves earns them a place on our list. E. Best moving containers and rental trucks. If you're more of a DIY mover or need extra flexibility, moving containers and rental trucks can be a great choice. Here are the best options in Los Angeles for 2025. For containers, Pods holds a 4.8 rating with nationwide coverage, 3 container sizes, unlimited storage, and a 10% discount. U-Pack earns a 5.0 rating, known for fast delivery and moves over 100 plus miles. Moving Yourself has a 4.5 rating, budget-friendly pricing, offers car shipping, and has no hidden fees. For rental trucks, Budget Truck Rental scores 4.3 for strong value with online pricing and discounts. Penske Truck Rental is labeled most reliable with a 4.0 rating and offers 4 truck sizes and unlimited mileage. U-Haul Truck Rental rates 4.15 with the widest coverage, 7 truck sizes, and one-way rentals. F. Best labor-only movers in LA. If you're driving your own truck or container but need help with the heavy lifting, labor-only movers can be a smart choice. In LA, your best bets are Seka Moving, Rigo's Moving Company, and Prof Moving Company. Each offers trained crews, good communication, and positive customer reviews. They're a great option when you just need muscle without the full service price tag. G. LA-specific moving tips. Here are a few tips to make your LA move smoother. Before you book a mover in LA, make sure they have a valid dot number and state license. It's a quick way to filter out unreliable companies. Also, match their strengths to your move. A great local mover might not be the best for a cross-country job. If you're moving between May and September, book early. It's LA's busiest season and slots fill fast. Always get at least 3 quotes to compare pricing and avoid surprise fees. And don't forget city logistics. Check with your building about elevator reservations and loading zones. In LA, the small details can make a big difference. We just covered LA's top movers, container and truck options, and tips to help you avoid hidden costs. To quickly get a direct quote from any of these movers and to also see the most up-to-date list of the best LA movers, use our link in the description. Because we update our data monthly, the best options might have changed. But choosing the right mover is only step 1. Staying organized is what really helps your move stay on track. That's why in the next video, we'll walk you through our moving checklist from 8 weeks out to moving day with tips on packing, utilities, and more, so you can move with confidence and zero chaos. You can watch it right here.